We are a big baseball family at our house, so sitting around and watching baseball is sort of a regular occurrence. But right now, the Mariners are making it feel a little extra special. So I thought I'd put together a little Mariners watch party for our family for tonight, but this is something that you can do as the Mariners continue to play baseball, hopefully. So I'm gonna make homemade Cracker Jacks, grill up some hot dogs, and then make a dip that we're gonna dip our pretzels into. It's a very baseball menu. And I've got some Rainier beers on the side because where are you before the Mariners? You're at the Rainiers. So when I host a party, I usually make one thing that's a little bit ridiculous and over the top, and then everything else is either store-bought or semi-store-bought, and keeping it simple. Today, our ridiculous thing is homemade Cracker Jacks. Cracker Jacks are actually surprisingly simple because it's basically caramel corn, just with some peanuts added. So we're gonna make the caramel for that right now. So to make our caramel, we're gonna combine 3/4 a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of Caro syrup with a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna cook that until it gets to 250 degrees on a candy thermometer. And then we'll mix in our popcorn and peanuts. Once you've made a solid effort getting your popcorn coated, we're gonna put it back on our lined cookie sheet. And then this is what will go in our oven. Hot dogs are on the grill, Cracker Jacks are in the oven. So we're gonna make a quick dip while the beers are chilling down. This is a great dip with pretzels. Just those store-bought pretzel bites are perfect for this. So it's gonna be 4 ounces of cream cheese and 4 ounces of feta cheese. And I'm gonna blend that with about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of lemon zest, and some garlic powder, and that's it. We'll taste it and see if it needs a little salt and pepper when we're done. So at the very end, when this dip is basically done, I'm gonna add just a little bit of milk because I want it to be like dip, dip, not spread. If you want it spread, you were there already. If you want it dip, add a little bit of milk and get to the consistency that you want. All right, doesn't that look fabulous? And it was so easy. You saw me make it. It didn't take that much time. The hardest part was homemade Cracker Jacks. And let's be honest, they weren't that hard. So let's have a fun baseball watch party. Let's have a great baseball season and go Mariners.